What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp Business Broadcast problem on Android. First, open WhatsApp Business and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Open your broadcast list and make sure the people you're sending messages to have your phone number saved on their device. If it's still not working, go to your phone settings, then apps, and find WhatsApp Business. Tap Storage and select Clear Cache. Then go back and tap More Stuff. After that, open Play Store. Search for WhatsApp Business and update the app if an update is available. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your broadcast list isn't over the allowed recipient limit. Finally, open WhatsApp Business again and try sending your broadcasts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.